Hello everybody, today we're going to take 13,579 divided by 975 using the flagged adjunct division method. Now, one thing we're going to do is change the divisor to make it more easy to work with. We're going to change the divisor 975. Well, first of all, let me say this. 975 equals 1,000 minus 25. So we indicate that like this, 1,000 minus 25. So we put a bar over that, okay? So I'm going to put a 10 over here. And I'm going to put a 2.5 here. Both of these are flagged. Then I have a 2 digits here, so I have 79 here. And then I have 135, so 135. Okay? This is going to be our quotient. This is our remainder. So the first thing we're going to say is, what's 13 divided by 10? That's once with a remainder of 3. Okay? Now, let me do this step here and then I'll show you. So I'm going to make my first adjustment. I take my 35, I subtract. I have negative 2 times 1. Negative 2 times 1. So that's just 35. Double negative makes it plus 2, okay? So all the adjustments for that same reason are going to be added. They only get added because we have a vinculum here. Usually they're subtractions. So I take my 2 and I multiply it by 1. I get 37. Great. How many times does 10 go into 37? We know the answer. We know the answer to that question is 3. And now there's 7 left over, okay? Great. Now I'm going to make my double adjustment. So plus, plus. I take 25 and 13 and I make a crisscross pattern, okay? So 6 plus 5. So I have 6 and 5. So what do I get? 87 plus 11 is 88. Now, because this is the remainder, I just bring it down. I don't say how many times does 10 go into 88. I just bring it down. So I have 88 right here. And this last adjustment we have to make, we're going to look at this 5 times the 3. So the right flag digit times the recent quotient figure. 5 times 3 is 15. Okay? So 9 plus 15 is clearly 24, right? So now we can only have supposed to have only one digit here. So I'm going to write it like this, 24. We have to carry this 2 over. What's 88 plus 2? It is 90, okay? So I get 904. So final answer is 13 is our quotient. This is our remainder, okay? So our quotient is 13. My remainder is 904. Okay? Good job. Keep practicing. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Okay? So final answer, quotient is 13, remainder is 904. Notice how the vinculums really helped us here.